Hello everyone, this is Satyaprakash. Welcome to Coding Knowledge. In this video, we will discuss how to customize command prompt window and in Angular CLI. So if we know how to customize the command prompt window to suit our needs, then we have better experience using the Angular CLI. As we know, Angular CLI is a command line tool and we run it using command prompt window. So before going through this session, visit my last video session based on Angular CLI. I have given the link in my description section. So I will recommend you visit these videos before going to this video. So in this session we have few points there. We'll talk to in details. So first point is steps to set screen buffer size. Second one is steps to get the output of a command to a Windows clipboard, and steps to get the output of a command to notepad and Word document, and the reason to use properties window of the command prompt. Okay, now before going to details of this below 4 points, we need to open our command prompt window in administrator privileges. You should open your command prompt window using administrator. So I already have opened this, so I just click here to open here. So this is, you can see this is administrator command prompt. We already opened there. Yeah, we already have I made it as a full screen. So as you know, Angular CLI is a command line tool and we run it using command prompt window. So the most useful command is ng -help. If you put enter, it will show it will display all the Angular CLI commands and the options we can use with these commands. So you can see here it takes some time to load the commands and its related options. So you see it lists available commands and their short description. So ng help, so you mention here ng help, you just put enter and it will display all the Angular CLI commands and the options we can use with these commands. So it loads all the available commands which already have installed during the install of our Angular package. You will see here all these commands, that is add, analytics, build, deploy, config, doc, e2e, generate, help, lint, new, run, and this is linting tool, run, sharp, test, update version xi 18n. So see that I just want to this one I want to do. So here you see, as you scroll up in the command prompt window, so it not we are not able to see all the commands and their associate options. So to fix this, we have to increase the buffer size. So to increase the buffer size, there are two simple steps. So step 1 is right click on the title bar of the command window and select the properties from the context menu, and step 2, click on the layout tab and set the height properties to here 9001, so I just mention it as 9800, or you can mention it as 4 nines, and under the screen buffer size section, that you need to set the height length here. So I have mentioned here 49 on the under the screen buffer size section and click OK. So with this change in place, execute that same command here. So I just want to clear my screen and again I will run the same command. See what happens. You will see the same issue on the increase regarding the buffer size of this page, or it will solve our issue to see all the commands and their associated options. See here, we can scroll down or scroll up, we can see all the available commands what we have mentioned earlier, what I mentioned already here. So with this change, we already have noticed we can see all the commands and their associated options. So there is a lot of help text displayed on the screen. So if you want to find a specific command, so you can use the search feature of the command window. To use the search feature, just right click on the title bar of the command window and select edit, and from the select edit from the context menu, and you can use the find window to search for the command you are looking for. So here I want to looking for, that is version, version. So I just want to make it down, and if you click here, you can see here the version is highlighted with that highlighted version. So you can, in this way we can find out the command using our find window to search for the command we are looking for. Okay, now we need to, so in this way you can use the find window to search for the command you are looking for. So here we need to discuss few points. Here you will see, for more details help, run ng command name dash dash help. So here I mention ng, I want the want to mention here, that is version and dash dash help. So it will get some details about this command version. With the, here you see this message that outputs Angular CLI versions uses ng version options. So again, if you want to see what are the associated options for this command, you just mention here ng version options. So you just click enter, and you'll see the related options for this associate command line. So you'll see Angular CLI, this node version, OS version, Angular CLI version, and what are the options are installed, what are the associate options for this version command. Okay, now you will go to the next point, that is to redirect the output of ng dash dash help command to Windows clipboard. So use the clip command as shown. As shown, we have I will show you how to use this, the clip command. So the command is ng help, and just put the pipe and mention here clip. So once you have the output copied in the clipboard, you can paste it anywhere you want it. For example, in a notepad or a Word document. You just click enter. So you'll get there, it will return to your main drive, that is C drive, after it already have copied to the clipboard. So you just open your notepad, and you can see, you just put your control V paste here. See here, you automatically paste all these things what already have using you this command already copies code to the clipboard, and you just only paste here by control V in your text document, like your notepad or Word documents. So once you have copied the once you have the output copied in the clipboard, you can paste it anywhere, as I have already mentioned here, as you want it. So for example, the text document like notepad, Word document, etc. Okay, now next point is you can also redirect the output directly to the text document using the following using the few commands. This command creates a text document with name satya.txt, and in the folder where you have executed the command, this text documents will have the output of the command ng dash dash help. So to um, to redirect the output directly to the notepad using the command that is ng help, you just put the bracket like this and satya dot txt, you just put enter txt, you just put enter here. So there is a file with name satya.txt in your C drive with all the available commands with options is written in that text file. So you just go to the C drive and Satya here, you'll see here the file is already there, and you just open like this. So here you can see all these available commands and the related options are written here. Okay, now in this way, we can also redirect the output directly to our Word document using the command. So this command creates a text document with name satya doc. So in this in the C drive where you have executed the command, this text document will have the output of command ng dash dash help. So you'll see I'll write this command for write the help help related commands that is written to our satya document, satya doc. So you just put enter. So you'll see the satya.doc file already been created in your C drive folder with all help commands. So if you go to our run app, and here we need to navigate to our satya.doc. So here I need to open this. So there you can see all help related available commands are written in the satya.doc doc folder, doc file. See here, you can see it just loads the file. See here, you can already see, you have seen that all available commands are written in the satya.doc file. So in this way we can redirect the output directly to the text document using the commands. And next one is to cycle through the commands. We can use up and down arrow key on our keyboard. So here you'll see I just went to up and down key, you will see the cycling through the codes. So notice cycling through commands that we have used. It is called cycling through the codes. Cycling through commands or codes that we have used already. Okay. Now our last and final point is why use from the properties window. So from the properties window of command prompt, you can also change the cursor size, font color, and background color. So this is the main role behind the properties window of command prompt window. So you just go here, go in properties. There is many tabs. There are options tab. You can set the cursor size, command history, edit options, and in the font tab, you can set the size of the font. You can set the font class here, and here is the layout. We have already described how to set the screen buffer size using width and height. So in this way we can set as per your requirement. And your final tab is colors. You can change the text color of the command prompt window and background color like this. So this is the main benefits of using the command prompt properties of command prompt window. As per the requirement, we can customize the command prompt window. So this is all about to show you how to use the command properties to customize the command prompt window, and how to write the files and redirect the output to text documents using a few commands. So again we visit to so before this we have to close our command prompt window. So now we'll see few definitions for regarding customize the command prompt window. So to set the screen buffer size, to increase the screen buffer size, increase the height properties value of screen buffer size section of layout tab in properties window, what we have already described earlier. And how to command to Windows clipboard. So use the clip command, that is ng-help 5-line clip. And how to command to text document to get the output to a notepad, ng-help that is angle and satya.txt to get the output to a word document, ng-help angle satya.doc. So in this way we can get the output to the various text documents like notepad and word document. So what is the use of properties window? So we can also you can change the cursor size, font color and background color using properties window of command prompt window. So this is my YouTube channel Coding Knowledge. You can share it, subscribe it, like it, and get the up-to-date knowledge on .NET, .NET MVC, ASP.NET, SQL Server, Azure Data Factory, Angular, reporting tool like MSBI, Crystal Report and Power BI. So in this finals you can with what we have learned details till now. So how to set the screen buffer size, how to get the output of command to Windows clipboard, and how to get the output of command to notepad and word document and also other text documents, and what are the reasons behind to use properties window of command prompt. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening and have a great day.